Hello and my best regards to everyone. My name is Claudia Viviana Zambrano Bravo. I am an industrial engineering student and below. I share with you information about assessing processing time, direct cases, failures, incurred strategies, ion analysis time, poorly worded application, indirect cases, very basic management system, lack of staff or training for servers, little training and information of the candidates. Direct effects, bad perception of the system by the industry, bad innovation and technological development, loss of important information. Thank you.